Hey guys, welcome back to another abandoned location. Let's go investigate this one. See if there is a way in. And yeah. And by the way guys, tomorrow I have to go to the dentist. Not too happy about that, but you know what? All I gotta do is put my headphones on. Tell the Spanish people and the people that like to talk and just tell you shut up. But I found this abandoned not car dealer, but car fixer-upper type place. And there's actually an abandoned location down there, but we'll get to that in a sec. But yeah, this is what it is. This is what it be. This is what it doodly do. And I just kind of forgot about this one and then kind of remembered. I was like, oh, I remember. What's it say? Keys are located behind the Ew, I don't know what's in here. Nope. Disgusting. But I don't know if there's any access in this one. The doors are like bulletproof. This is what it looks like behind. Shrubbery! I'm not doing anything wrong. Fuck you, camera. Yoo-hoo! Is anybody there? Nope, Mr. British Man's not there today. But yeah, this building's pretty nice. I'm sorry this was a short adventure, but we'll try to find more bigger and better places in the near future. It's just, this one was kind of like, darn. Inside. Fiddlesticks. And yes, I did the slide up, push up method, and that didn't work. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be pretty much all. Hey Jared, if you find this location, wink wink, entrance, wink wink, entrance. So yeah guys, I'll show you guys around the front. This is around the front. Ta-da! Outdated! Woohoo! You know, that's what we like. Some outdated action, and it's dated in there. Holy crap. I mean, look at this. Wow. Hey guys, that's gonna be pretty much all. Be sure to tell your friends to subscribe and view.